My name is Diego. I am 18 years old. Eh, on my last vacation, I went to Ayacucho. I am very beautiful. I with a lot of history and culture. I went with my family and great time together. Uh, we we visit place, plazas, mall, etc. One of my favorite eats is mondongo, delicious and traditional. Uh, this semester, I am going to focus on my students and improve my English. Goodbye. Bye.